you doing today? Thanks so much for being here. I'm instructor Dwayne Jenkins. Thanks for being here on my guitar channel, Dwayne's Guitar Lessons. Now today I'm going to do a quick video for you on how to fix string buzz. This guitar here, it's been sitting a little bit. I just put some strings on it and I noticed it's just buzzing a little bit here on the D string. Now what causes string buzz is the neck moves, okay? Your guitar neck is designed to move, okay? Just with like weather and stuff, you know? And that's why it has what's called a truss rod in the middle of the neck. All electric guitars and most acoustic guitars, steel string acoustic guitars have what's called a truss rod. It's a metal rod in the middle of the guitar neck. And it's there specifically to be adjusted because your guitar neck moves like this. You don't probably notice it that much, you know, because it doesn't move that much. But with weather conditions, like if it's hot and then you go to cold, or it's humid and you go to dry, something like that, and your neck moves slightly like this, okay? And what happens is you have the strings next to it, and if it moves, like say too far this way, then the strings get close to the fretboard or the fret, and it starts buzzing, or maybe it goes the other way and it starts buzzing, okay? So it's just a common thing with guitars. I would highly recommend learning how to adjust them. They're not that difficult, and that's what we're going to learn in this video is how to adjust your truss rod to eliminate the string buzz right here. So let's take a look. Okay, so here we have the guitar, and like it's got the fret buzz right here on the D string. Hopefully you can hear that. So you can hear this is fine, the E, the A, you hear the D, it's got fret buzz, and it's because the guitar neck is bowed. And this is caused due to like weather, you know, a very common problem. So the way you fix it is you got to take off the truss rod cover right here. And these are all a little bit different, okay? Some of them use an Allen wrench. This one uses this kind of thing here, particularly this kind of thing. This is a little truss rod wrench. This right here is. So what I'm going to do is put it right in here, and I'm going to loosen the truss rod. Okay. Loosen a little bit. Doesn't have to be loosened a whole lot, just a little bit. And what that'll do is it'll take the, because the guitar is kind of bowed back, the neck is bowed back a little bit, and the fret is touching the string. So by loosening it, it's going to bow it back the other way, and then the string, it should eliminate the string buzz. Still there a little bit, so we'll back it up a little bit more. This is a very old guitar. I think this neck on here that I built this guitar, and I think this neck on here is from like the 90s or something, so this is like over 30 years old, so it's a very, very old guitar. Alright, so there we have it. Fix the string buzz. As you can hear, when we're playing the guitar, that string is not buzzing anymore like it was before. Hopefully you can hear that in the video that I recorded on fixing that, but it was this D string right here. It was buzzing pretty good because it was touching the fret, the first fret right here. So when I loosened the truss rod, it made the neck go from this, bowed back more straight like this, and it gave the neck what's called relief. And so it gave a little bit relief, and now the string's not touching the fretboard, or the fret wire, I guess. These are called fret wires, these metal bars right here. And it was touching this first one, now it's not doing that. So now, when I play chords, these open chords, it sounds like it's supposed to. Alright, so that's something that you can do with your guitar. Don't be afraid to work on your guitar. Your guitar's meant to be worked on, okay? It's meant to be worked on and maintained, and if you learn how to do that, it's just going to make you a much better guitar player. Alright, so keep practicing, and I will see you at our next lesson.
Audio Jungle.